Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see 4 free tech related courses that are offered by Accenture, which is one of the top companies in India. So they offer a lot of courses, but in this video particularly, we'll see 4 tech related courses, and all these courses will help you in gaining some knowledge, and you can also implement whatever you learn. So let's quickly see the courses now. So the first one is Python basics. So even now it is important to learn Python. So Python is a programming language. It has become evergreen language. I mean evergreen programming language. That is something that everyone should learn. So this course is provided by Accenture, as you can see here, and these courses are hosted on Future Skills platform. And after completing this course, you can also get a badge like this from Future Skills Prime and Accenture. And this course has 8 hours content in which you can learn all the basic Python components from variables, expressions, and you can also learn few advanced level concepts as well. And you can get that badge after completing the course, and you can just add it to your LinkedIn profile. So this is something similar to a certificate. So a completion badge and completion certificate is so similar. So after you complete this course, you can get the badge, you can get the prime badge and add it to your LinkedIn profile, and that will show the credibility that you know Python, you know all the basic concepts involved in Python. So that shows that you have completed this particular course in this platform. And this course has been divided into 3 different modules. In the first one, you learn about the basics of Python, like I said, introduction to Python. And the next one is Python data structures, and the final module is Python programming fundamentals. So once you enroll in the course, you'll get all the details about the course, like what exactly will be covered. And all you need to enroll in this course is an email ID to sign up, and you also need Python 3.6 and Jupyter Notebook. And this is important because just completing the course will not take you anywhere. So whatever you learn, get these platforms and implement that and see how it works in the real world. So here they have given more instructions on who should take this course and all those stuff. So in my opinion, anyone who wants to learn Python can enroll in this course because it's absolutely free, and it is still one of the most popular programming languages out there, and it has been used for various purposes. And these are the tools which will be covered in this course. You can see the entire list here. So this is the first course in our list. I'll show you all the courses and then we'll see how to enroll in these courses. Next one is SQL fundamentals, and as you can see here, again this is also offered by Accenture, and this course will help you in learning about the databases management, and you will learn in-depth concepts of SQL here. So as you can see here, fundamental concepts of databases will be covered, and you'll also learn how SQL will operate as a database language, and you'll be using my database server and all those stuff. So this is a 10 hours course. Sorry, this is a 8 hours course. Course duration has been mentioned as 8 hours, but here you can see that you have 10-hour content. So let's take this one as the real duration. So you have nearly 10 hours content for this particular course, and again anyone who wants to learn about SQL can enroll in this course. And this course has been divided into 4 different modules. First one is introduction to databases, and then you have managing databases and tables, querying table data, and exporting and importing data. So this is the second course in the list, SQL fundamentals. And the third one is operating systems and shell scripting. And this course basically covers the concepts involved in operating systems, that is OS, and you'll learn about shell scripting, regular expressions. So you can see here you have 3 modules for this course. One is introduction to operating systems, and the next one is interacting with command line shell, and finally you have regular expressions module as well. And these are the things which you learn in this course: operating systems, regular expressions, shell scripts, Linux, Unix. I mean, these are the tools which will be covered. So this is the third course in our list, and the final one is acquiring data. And This is a course for which you can also get a co-branded certificate by Future Skills Prime and Accenture. So this course will be very helpful if you are into data analytics field or something like that. So this will cover the concepts and techniques for data science. I mean, the overall thing behind this is data science, and you'll learn the basic concepts of data and big data terminologies and different frameworks. You'll be learning about all those stuff in this course. They have explained it in detail here. You can just go through it if you want. So these are the 4 different modules that you have, and you have nearly 10 hours of content. You have introduction to data module and types of data, storing data, introduction to data validation, and these are the tools which you'll practice: big data, metadata, pandas, data frame, data validation. So these are the things which you are going to get in this course, and after completing this course you can also get a co-branded certificate from Future Skills Prime and Accenture. So these are the 4 tech related courses that are available for free. So you can make use of these things and learn whatever you want. And now I'll tell you how you can access these courses. So I'll give you a link in description through which you can come to this page in our website. And in this page, if you just scroll down here, you can get a lot more free online courses that are offered by Accenture. So the first 8 courses that you see here will be related to digital skills that are offered by Accenture. If you want, you can also explore these 8 courses. And if you scroll down further, here you will see 4 free tech courses by Accenture. So these are the 4 courses which we saw now: SQL fundamentals, Python basics, operating systems and shell scripting, and finally acquiring data. So all you need to do is just click on this enroll now button, and it will take you to the course page. And from here you can just click on this sign up button that you see here at the right top. Just click on it and you'll be directed to a page like this, and here you can just click on this login using your credentials. And once you click on it, here if you already have a Future Skills Prime login, you can just give your credentials and log into your account. If you do not have your account on this platform, all you need to do is just click on join now with Google, or you can just enroll in this platform using your Facebook account, or you can also use your LinkedIn account, or else you can simply click on this sign up and you can just give your name and email ID and set a password for your account and click on this create account. And once you are logged into your account, all you need to do is come to this course page. You can also go to our website and click on this enroll now button. And now once you are directed to the course page, you will already be logged into your account, and just scroll down and here you will see apply now button. Just click on it and enroll in the course. And after completing, you can also get the badge or a certificate based upon the course. So I hope you'll find this useful. If you'd like to get more updates about online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.